21 here. We got an inversion happening. I think this is one of the thickest inversions I've ever seen. It is like snowing in the valley today and bluebird up top.
Into the creeks again. What's going on? Oh, you're gonna walk across that? Good luck. Find these guys a nicer trail through here. That's good. So half the guys are going up the logging road and half of us are shooting up through the trees. So we're riding with Mike today, who's on a 154 expert, so it'll be a perfect comparison to this. I should specify that it is a turbo. We got guys above us, we got guys below us. So we're gonna put the drone up here and we're gonna see how everyone's making out. Who just fell off their snowmobile?
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta
We're regrouped with Mike and the boys, but we're not sure where the Ontario boys went. So we'll see if we can track them down here. Oh, it looks like they went through here. That's a weird log ride. How'd you screw up that one now? So Derek popped the other ski rubber out now. Give him a little fix up here. I don't know if you're getting the ski rubber back in there, Derek. You got a knife? Because you got to cut all that extra plastic off now. Just going to warm this plastic up a bit here so it's a little easier to slice through. See if it fits into here now. Oh, that. Perfect.
Good for the rest of my trip.
All right, we're on the move again here. Got Derek all fixed up. We're on our way to the alpine. Something I've been noticing on the Polaris versus the Skidoo is it trenches through the snow much better. I think that tapered tunnel actually makes like a huge difference. You know, I saw you going for that, and I'm like, what the heck are you doing? It's a big rock. Wow, look at the shiny snow. Oh, ow. It's not very nice. Wow. Well, it's just like a hurricane up here today. Thought we were gonna blow away during lunch. Actually, I didn't even eat my lunch yet, so we're gonna drop back down into the trees where it was a little nicer. This is a nicer spot for lunch. No wind, nice sun. Lunch is probably done. I think I smell the peanut butter. Panini bagel. See a little cave just over here?
I did. Check it out.
That's what I was thinking. Oh, this is the Polaris holding an edge. That's the Skidoo holding an edge. No, I'm just kidding.
Sled still needs work, okay?
It just bucked him a little bit. That's all. What we got in here?
How many miles?
Yeah. Look at this tree growing right up to the rock, and it's kind of just stopped there.
Matt, you bring your crampons or what?
Get up there.
Get the tools out, get up the ice.
Yeah.
Watch me just tear this new suit up. Oh yeah. I feel like I should wear my helmet.
I'm still so bad at leaving my GoPro on. I just took a 22-minute clip. Oh, that's not a very nice track. We're going up the drainage here. I'm gonna follow Mike, even though I can't see anything behind him. Oh, we got open holes already here. Uh-oh. Hey, Mike. Mike. What?
What's up? We're left or right?
I think your bag's open. Oh, he's drunk. Did you have anything else in there?
Yup.
Found the pump and the water bottle.
Sweet, I think I know where the hot is. I'll meet you at the bottom there.
Attempt number 2 at this drainage. Now that we've found all Mike's stuff. That was awesome.
I thought you were gonna hit me at that.
If I didn't brake, I would have. Yep, rock. Mike's trying out the boost, I'm trying out the expert turbo. I do notice the narrower ski stance for sure. I feel like when you put it too far over now, the side panel hits the snow and it just slides on it. The narrow ski stance would definitely take a little getting used to, but it does carve really effortlessly. No. We got Jerry behind the lens. He in fact does know how to use a camera. That's close. Oh man, we sure destroyed these hills in here. I'm the king of the castle.
New country there, bud.
This is poo country. See? The dude's just...
Yeah, why don't you take a look around there, Matt?
Oh, the poo made it the highest on that run. See? Poo country! How many K does that sled got now?
About 50.
50K.
It 20 of it right there.
0.3 at the start of today.
I would say it's in need a bit of a DEF burn, so we'll just we'll burn it off a little bit right here.
Proper break-in.
Yeah, proper break-in procedures.
He's stuck in Devin's trench. Oh! Oh yeah. I'll just run your snowmobile over, it's alright. That time of day again, heading back down to the trucks. Turned out to be a pretty good day, even though the alpine snow was not very good. Came back down into the trees and had some fun there.